Hello everyone, I am Emre Yazar. Today I am going to give you a talk about photosynthetic curves of closely related C3 and C4 species. So, what are these curves and why do we need curves? Of course, plants are the primary producers of food in the earth. And how do they manage that? By converting inorganic materials to organic materials. And what is this inorganic material? It's carbon dioxide concentration. They turn carbon dioxide to organic material, which we know food, by use of light in different conditions, which means changing temperature. So we came up with three curves. The left upper side is the AT curve, which we call the temperature response curve. And the middle, you can see the light response curve. And at the bottom, you can see the carbon dioxide response curve. So let's look at the first one. It's the temperature response curve of closely related C3 and C4 plants. As you can see, that C4 plants producing more food and producing more photosynthesis than the C3 plant. And if you look closely at 40 degrees, the C4 plant continues to working on and the C3 plant just drops down. And the red arrow indicates the global temperature around the world. And as we know, it's not the same around in all the countries at the summer. It's more higher than 15 degrees. So we can safely say that C4 plant is doing more photosynthesis than the C3 plant. Now, let's look at the light response curve. The red one is our C3 plant and the blue one is our C4 plant. And it's clearly be seen that C4 plant is doing more photosynthesis than the C3 plant in every changing light intensity. And the red arrow here is indicated as sunlight at the midday in the summer. Of course it's changing, but it's almost the same around the world. And the last one here that we have, the carbon dioxide response curve. As you can see clearly, the left one is our C4 plant and the right one is our C3 plant. And when the carbon dioxide levels rises above the 50-100, you can clearly see that they are doing same amount of photosynthesis, but it's not the way it is. In the world, the carbon dioxide levels are indicated by the red arrow, which is around 400 ppm, and it's clearly be seen that our C4 plant is producing more photosynthesis values than the C3 plant. And in conclusion, we can safely say that C4 plant has high photosynthetic rates and high photosynthetic performance compared to C3 plants under same conditions. Thank you for your attention.